Okay, now we've got the finished ferrous metal detector. We can try an interesting experiment. Particularly in newer years, they've replaced our coinage. For example, the 10p coin now has some iron in it, and that's because it's cheaper to produce 10p coins with a little bit of iron than the old 10p coins that didn't have any iron in. So if I connect this up now and check the original, the older 10p coins that go back before 1992, this is pre-1992, you'll find that it doesn't change the lights. So let's just plug that in for a sec. So at the moment, when we place that on, if it goes red, or the green light goes out, then we know that we've got iron in there. So you can see here there's nothing in there. But here's another 10p coin. Now this is a recent one. Let's see what happens. There you go. So it's quite interesting. These two, they're exactly in monetary terms they're equal, but in actual the metal in terms of what the metal's worth, they're not equal, because this 10p coin is worth more than this 10p coin. So you've got a situation where one 10p coin is worth more than the other 10p coin. Yeah, in terms of if you melted them down, that is, of course. So yeah, that's quite interesting. So there's the old one, there's the new one. Now, it did the same thing with the 1p coins as well. So more modern 1p coins. In fact, they did it earlier for the 1p coins. I mean, they actually let me see which one it is. So if I've got two 1p coins here, they look identical, but let's just see that one. Okay, that's got iron in it. What about this one? This one hasn't got iron in it. So we check the dates on these. This one is 1979, and on this one it is 1992. They actually did the change on these earlier. I think that they make the change on these a little bit later on. You'd have to look it up. I think it's on the internet. If you Google about the coinage, the UK coinage, you'll find out. Just Google the newer 10p coins with the iron in them. And but I didn't realise that until I started mucking around with this. I thought, what's going on here? I got two coins here. They should both be reacting the same. And then I couldn't. And I tried it with these 10s, and I found the same thing. And then I thought, oh, hang on, these look a bit newer. And actually, if you notice, you can. The weight, obviously, the same weight, but they look very different anyway. But these ones, you wouldn't really know it so much with these. But yeah, same thing with the 1p coins. So I was quite surprised. So it just goes to show this is quite a bit of novelty little kit here. But there you go. That's how it works. So when it's all screwed up, you can take your object and let's try that one again. There you go. There's an object with iron in it. So same with this one here. Iron. There you go. That's how that can work.